Hi, welcome back to my channel. Beauty of Joseon just dropped new massage cream. Which name is Jelloskin Massage Cream? I recently tried the new Jelloskin Massage Cream from Beauty of Joseon, and I must say, it's a game changer. The custard-like texture melts into the skin effortlessly, leaving it hydrated without any stickiness. I love that it's versatile enough to use on both face and body, acting as both a moisturizer and a massage cream. The scented bean ingredient, sprouted with Centella asiatica extract, seems to give my skin an extra boost of strength and vitality. What's more, the plant-derived ingredients like rice bran oil really help to calm my stressed skin. The cream not only feels amazing, but also gives my skin a beautiful, jello-like glow. I've been using it with a gua sha tool, and the results are even better. It helps the cream absorb more deeply and leaves my skin looking radiant. Overall, I highly recommend the Jelloskin Massage Cream for anyone looking for a multi-purpose, hydrating, and skin-strengthening cream. It's become a staple in my skincare routine,